class.
Good evening, ma'am.
Before you take your seats, can you pick up some pieces of paper and the lecture and arrange your class leader, how many absentees today? You have to proceed. There's no absentees today, ma'am. Very good. Now let's have a quick recap of our last instruction. What was our last Yes, Anne-Marie. It's all about ancient China. Very good. Now, what happened in ancient China? Nico? What happened? Okay, Anne-Marie, what happened in ancient China? Ancient China developed along with yellow paper and was ruled by different dynasties like the Shang dynasty and Zhou dynasty. It had a strong government based on the mandate of heaven and was influenced by the teaching of Confucius society and was organized into classes and trade. Ancient China is known for its importance and inventions and rich culture. Very good. It seems that everyone of you here is ready for our next discussion. Now I have prepared 4 pictures here. I have a question for you all. If you were living in ancient China, what rule would you choose and why? Based in the picture, you can
A fisherman, ma'am.
Very good. Now, do you think everyone has the freedom to choose their role in the society?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so our topic today is all about social structure of ancient China. But throughout our discussion, I have here an objective to dictate. Please read.
Objective. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to explain the social structure of ancient China, appreciate the social structure of ancient China, and create a chart about social structure of ancient China.
Very good. These objectives here are the specific goal or aim